Mars terraforming hopes boosted as NASA announces pioneering solar plane mission. A fully charged battery will allow Maggie to travel to 111 miles, that's 180 kilometers, at an altitude of just over half a mile, 1,000 meters, as NASA announces a new solar plane mission around Mars. Hopes of terraforming Mars have taken a step closer after plans were unveiled for a huge solar-powered plane. It will be cruising across the red planet in search of water. The Maggie, that's short for Mars Aerial and Ground Global Intelligent Explorer, aircraft is currently being developed by NASA. Earlier this month, the space agency announced the vehicle was being funded as part of a program to develop innovations to transform future space missions. And Maggie is a compact fixed-wing electric aircraft powered by solar energy to fly in the Martian atmosphere. A fully charged battery will allow it to travel 111 miles at an altitude of about 0.6 miles. The total range per Martian year, approximately 687 Earth days, would be about 10 miles. The aircraft will have vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, capability, and will be able to land and recharge its batteries with solar cells on its wings and body. Flying on Mars is a challenge, as the Martian atmosphere is 160 times thinner than our Earth's atmosphere, so Maggie has a cruise lift coefficient nearly an order of magnitude higher than conventional subsonic aircraft to overcome the low density. J. Cheng Cha Za, of Florida-based developers CoFlowJet LLC, says the representative mission for Maggie presented would conduct 3 atmospheric and geophysical investigations, all supporting different timescales of dynamic Mars science theme. These include a study of the origin and timing of the Martian core dynamo from the weak magnetic fields found in the large impact basins, a regional investigation of the source of methane signals detected by the tunable laser spectrometer and Mars Special Science Laboratory in Gale Crater, and mapping of subsurface ice at high resolution in the mid-latitudes where it has been observed from orbit. Maggie is in early stages of development, but could CoFlowJet with CoFlowJet, it could revolutionize the ability to explore almost the entirety of the Martian surface. Jay Cheng Za says the conceptual Maggie system study indicates that the concept appears to be feasible, but need to be further investigated and designed and verified under Martian atmospheric conditions in Phase 1. NASA says their NIAC, that's NASA Innovative Advanced Concepts program, fosters pioneering ideas by funding early-stage technology concept studies for future consideration and potential commercialization. NASA Associate Administrator Jim Free says the daring missions NASA undertakes for the benefit of humanity will begin as just an idea, and NIAC is responsible for inspiring many of those ideas. The Ingenuity helicopter flying on Mars and instruments on the MarsCo Deep Space CubeSats can trace their lineage back to NIAC, proving there is a path for creative ideas to mission success. And while not all these concepts will fly, NASA and our partners worldwide can learn from fresh approaches and may eventually use technologies advanced by NIAC. Earlier this week, the European Space Agency, ESA, revealed it had discovered enough water trapped in Mars poles to fill the Red Sea. Terraforming is the hypothetical process of adjusting a planet's environment to make it suitable for human habitation, of course. And this is on Express UK by Syrian McGrath. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.